2025, a major American project ordered a 1000 kVA, 3-phase pad-mounted electric distribution transformer. Rated 12.47 kV primary, 0.480 to 77 kV secondary, DYN1 vector grid, compact design with DOE efficiency and FR3 Oil, for safe, environmentally and efficient power conversion. Loop feed capability and dead front enclosure enable flexible integration into medium voltage distribution networks with improved safety. Features aluminum windings, 3-phase 3-limb core, KNAN natural cooling, and high-temperature insulation for long-term reliability. Equipped with fused protection, grounded electrostatic shield, load brake switch, and oil level or temperature monitoring for safe operation.